Nothing sinks a cruise faster than realizing the entire ship is quietly annoyed at you. These 12 mistakes can get you dirty looks, whispered about in hallways, or even fined. And most cruisers don't even know they're guilty until it's too late. From buffet chaos to deck chair hogging, to 2 cruise sins that can ruin your trip before it even begins. And mistake number 9? It's the one that gets talked about in the crew quarters for days. Let's see how many you might be making right now. Before starting, let us know in the comments from where you're watching this video. Mistake number 1, the buffet blunder. Everyone is hungry, but a mad dash to the buffet, cutting lines, or using your hands to grab food is a surefire way to annoy your fellow cruisers and spread germs. It creates a feeling of chaos and can even contaminate the food. Be patient and use the serving utensils. Take a quick lap around the buffet to see what you want, then start at the beginning of the line. It moves faster than you think, and being polite ensures a more pleasant experience for everyone. I once saw a guy at the dessert station try to grab a handful of cookies. A woman politely said, "Sir, the tongs are right there." He was so embarrassed. It's a simple fix that goes a long way. The collective sigh of relief from the other passengers told me everything I needed to know. Mistake number 2, the deck chair reservation. Claiming a prime poolside deck chair with a towel or book and then disappearing for hours is a top cruise pet peeve. It prevents other people, especially families with kids, from enjoying the space and can cause a lot of frustration. Use deck chairs only when you are actually using them. If you need to grab a bite or take a quick dip, that's fine, but don't leave your chair unattended for more than 30 minutes. Be a considerate lounger, and you'll make someone's day. A cruiser told me a family of 4 had a whole row of chairs reserved with their towels. They came back 3 hours later, angry that their chairs were gone. A crew member had neatly folded their towels. It's a clear sign that a little consideration goes a long way. Mistake number 3, elevator overload. Trying to squeeze onto a packed elevator or blocking the doors when people are trying to exit is a common, frustrating mistake. It creates an awkward and uncomfortable situation for everyone, turning a simple ride into a chore. Wait for the next elevator. A new one will arrive in a moment, and you won't make the current passengers feel like sardines. And remember, always let people off the elevator before you try to get on. I saw a guy try to squeeze onto a full elevator, but the doors wouldn't close. A passenger inside said, "You can either take the stairs or wait for the next one, but you can't come in." He reluctantly stepped back. Everyone else in the elevator sighed in relief. And here's a warning. Later in this list, there's another public space mistake that makes this look polite. Mistake number 4, loud cabin conversations. Cabin walls can be thin, and speaking loudly on your balcony or in your cabin can easily disturb your neighbors, especially late at night. The sound travels far, and your laughter or arguments can ruin the peaceful atmosphere for others. Be mindful of your volume. Use your inside voice when on your balcony or in your cabin, and keep the TV volume at a reasonable level. Your neighbors will thank you. A couple told me they were kept up all night by their neighbors arguing. They finally called guest services who had to speak with the neighbors. It's a simple mistake that can ruin a good night's sleep for everyone around you. Mistake number 5, misunderstanding the main dining room. Showing up to the main dining room in a t-shirt and shorts on a formal night or expecting to be seated right away without a reservation can create awkward moments for you and the staff. It also shows a lack of respect for the dining experience and other diners. Read the dress code and make reservations. Check your daily planner for the evening's dress code. If you have flexible dining, use the ship's app or call ahead to make a reservation for a table. I saw a family of 6 show up to formal night in shorts and t-shirts, and they were turned away. The dad said, "I didn't know." A simple check of the daily planner would have saved them the embarrassment. Mistake number 6, ignoring the muster drill. Treating the mandatory safety drill as an inconvenience, talking on your phone, or trying to skip it is not just rude, it's dangerous. It's a major safety issue that puts everyone at risk. Pay attention and take it seriously. The muster drill is a serious safety procedure that every single passenger must attend. Pay attention to the instructions and take it seriously. It could save your life. I saw a group of people giggling and talking on their phones during a drill. The crew member running it stopped the presentation and politely but firmly said, "The only way this works is if everyone pays attention." They quieted down immediately. And keep watching. There's one safety-related mistake coming that can cause far more public shaming than this. Mistake number 7, being rude to the crew. Treating the crew like they are your personal servants is not only rude, but it's a surefire way to get bad service. The crew works incredibly hard to make your vacation special, often for long hours and little pay. Be polite, respectful, and use please and thank you. The crew works incredibly hard to make your vacation special. A little politeness and a genuine smile can make a huge difference. I saw a man yell at a waiter for a minor mistake. The waiter, with a tired smile, simply apologized. Another couple at a nearby table apologized for the man's behavior and tipped the waiter extra. It showed that kindness is a powerful thing. Mistake number 8, not washing your hands. Skipping the hand sanitizer station before entering the buffet or a restaurant is a big mistake. It's a major cause of the spread of germs on a cruise ship. The dreaded norovirus, for example, is a real threat. Always wash your hands and use the hand sanitizer. You'll see a hand washing or sanitizing station at every buffet and dining venue. Use it. It's a simple way to keep yourself and everyone else healthy. A woman told me she got sick on her last cruise. She said she saw so many people skipping the hand sanitizer and felt so frustrated. "It's so simple," she said. "Just do it." Mistake number 9, blocking the gangway. When a ship arrives in port, everyone is eager to get off. Stopping in the middle of the gangway to take a picture or check your phone creates a major traffic jam. It's like a human traffic jam. Keep the gangway clear. Walk to the end of the gangway before you stop to take a picture or check your phone. It keeps the flow of traffic moving and avoids a bottleneck. I saw a family stop in the middle of a gangway to take a family photo. A crew member had to politely ask them to move. Everyone else on the gangway sighed in frustration. It's a small mistake that causes a lot of frustration. This is the mistake crews still talk about days later, and it's not because they found it cute. Mistake number 10, leaving kids unattended. Letting your kids run wild through the ship's restaurants, bars, and public areas is a sure way to annoy other passengers and the crew. It's also a major safety issue. Supervise your kids. A cruise ship is a big place, and kids can get lost. Keep an eye on your children, and don't let them run wild through the ship. It's for their safety and the enjoyment of everyone else. I saw a group of kids running through a buffet, and one of them knocked over a tray of food. The parents were nowhere to be found. A crew member had to clean up the mess. It's a simple mistake that can cause a lot of stress for the crew. Mistake number 11, I'm on vacation. Attitude. Using the "I'm on vacation" excuse to be rude, loud, or inconsiderate is not a license to be selfish. Everyone is on vacation, and everyone wants to have a good time. Remember, you're on vacation with thousands of other people. A little politeness and consideration go a long way. I heard a man yell at a waiter for a minor mistake. The waiter, with a tired smile, simply apologized. Another couple at a nearby table apologized for the man's behavior and tipped the waiter extra. It showed that kindness is a powerful thing. Mistake number 12, not being prepared for disembarkation. Not having your luggage packed, your documents ready, and your bags in the hallway on time can cause major delays for everyone. It's a domino effect that can delay hundreds of people. Read the disembarkation instructions and be prepared. Your daily planner will have all the information you need. Pack your bags the night before and have your documents ready. I saw a family running around on the final morning trying to pack their bags. They were late getting off the ship, and they held up a whole line of people. A simple reading of the disembarkation instructions would have saved them a lot of stress. So there you have it, 12 common cruise mistakes to avoid. By being a little more mindful and considerate, you can make your cruise and everyone else's a much more enjoyable experience. What's your biggest pet peeve on a cruise? Hit like if you found this video insightful, and subscribe to Cruise Pro for more honest advice and essential strategies for making the most of your time at sea. Share your own insider tips in the comments below. Until next time, take care and happy cruising.